Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will see how we start a sampling sequence on the MS-100 Microbial Air Sampler by easy steps with two different options. So let's start. Dear friends, don't forget to follow aseptic practice during actual sampling. We have a Petri plate containing agar and MS-100 air sampler to start. And this is how we start. Remove the sampling head, place the Petri dish inside sampling head, and remove the lid of Petri dish and replace air sampling head. Friends, here we have two options. Lift the sampling head lid and place aside. Start the air sampler and place the Petri dish lid on the display of air sampler. Second option, both the lids in our hands. Lift the sampling head lid and place inside each other, and protect them from particles that may settle in the clean room. Then start the air sampling. It is very simple and easy. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. There are more videos to come. Take care and see you in the next video.